In this video we're going to show you how to repair the seat in Audi A3 8P, that's 2004 to 2012. It's also the same in a Golf Mk5 and Mk6 and an Audi A4, B6 and B7 Cabriolet. If the seat will fold forward but doesn't slide to allow access to the back, and it's usually a small clip in the bottom of the seat that's broke, and that's what we're going to show you how to fix. The tools you'll need for the job are an M10 spline bit with a ratchet and a small flat screwdriver. You're going to have to remove the seat from the car. So to remove the seat, slide it all the way forward to get access to the bolts at the back. You might also have to jack the seat to the top position to get access. There's 4 bolts in total holding the seat in, 1 on each corner. So undo these back 2 first. It's using an M10 spline. Now the front 2 bolts, slide the seat back so you can get access to those. Again, there's 1 on each front corner. Now to undo the wiring, there's a small cover here. Using your flat screwdriver, flick that up at the front and that'll fold out the way. And the wiring here, little tab there pushes in from each side. And the plugs, there's one for the airbag. Push that little tab back out the way and that'll slide out of its holder. And that undoes by sliding the white section back, and that'll come apart. On the other one, the little tab lifts away and that pulls up, and then on the large back plug, push the tab in, and again that should split from the part on the car. When the seat's removed from the car, roll it all the way forward, the backrest, and then you want to unhook the back of the seat. That's just hooked in. Just work your way along, unhook that, and this end piece that's also hooked in, pull it towards you, loop it over that just hooks over there. And the clip that's broken is this part here. You can see it coming away from the cable. The cable is always on the door side of the seat, so whichever seat you're doing, it's on the side that's against the door, and this is the clip that's broken here that we're going to be replacing. To remove the old clip, you'll need a flat screwdriver. It's quite fiddly. You can see where the cable's just hooked in. Get your screwdriver in and just pop that cable guide out. And the clip will come out. You can see the difference here between the new one and the old one. The old one is that one on the right that's broken. The one on the left there is the newer design. As you can see, it's a lot thicker at the bottom where they usually break here. To refit the new clip, it's got a hook in round the bottom here first, and then the top clicks into a slot you can just see there. So we're trying to put the clip in from the bottom first with the hook around the bottom of the seat, like that. And then the top, once it lines up, you'll feel it click into place like that. Once that's in, pull the cable towards you and make sure that's fully pushed in. You'll hear it click. And once that's back in, make sure everything's tight and the cable feels and the clip feels tight. And then you can put the cover back over the seat, starting with the edge first, and then the other part which hooks all the way along. And then the seat's ready to put back in the vehicle. Now we've refitted the seat back in the vehicle in the reverse order it was done before, so putting the plugs in first on the underside of the seat and then the 4 bolts in each corner. And once that's back in, now your seat should fold forward and slide so you can get access to the back.